Hello guys, welcome back to Tasca channel. Thank you for watching. I'm just gonna show you simply how to connect or how to install a new Delkevic exhaust system into a Kawasaki Vulcan S, which is my motorcycle. I will present that in a series of videos, so it'll be divided in different parts that I will be publishing every 2 or 3 days, so you don't get bored with one huge 1 hour video, 1 hour and 30-minute video. So stay tuned for every 2 or 3 days and you will see how a beginner like me can actually give tips to beginners like you on how to install things on your motorcycle. It's a simple procedure, but you have to be careful, of course, as I said, and watch every step that you take and do it carefully with a lot of love and a lot of care, and your Delkevic exhaust will sound great after you finish. So stay tuned and let's go for it. Tasca! Yay, hello! I just got this Delkevic exhaust system. We're just gonna do the unboxing first before we install it in my Kawasaki Vulcan S. Alright, so see what we have here. Alright, this is the... oh, okay. That's an extra DB killer. I think it's bigger than the one comes in stock. Alright. Looks like this is the exhaust system. The muffler. This is the muffler. Alright, look at that. It's a 350 millimeter long length. Alright, so we're going to put it in here. Alright. With the thing in here, I don't know what this is for. There's a little screw here. Don't better not lose it. Okay. Oops, I don't want to break anything. Okay, now what else do we have? Oh, here, some stickers. Okay, I have some silicone exhaust sealant. Okay, this is for the gaskets and everything. Alright. Good deal. What else? Oh, I have the holder to hold the muffler in place. What else? I have some instruction booklet. Okay. What else? No, yeah, and this is the... okay. And there's the tubes. Put it in here. This is the tubes. Okay. Scissors. Oh, here. Okay. So the tubes. Be careful. Okay. Alright, so tubes, and I think also beginning with the different things. Okay, I got the big knob, spacers, and of course I have some gaskets that will go here, I guess. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so and this is the... oh, that's for the O2 sensor. Alright, so this can put it here aside. Don't break anything. Okay. Alright, have the muffler, the tubes, the tools, and the DB killer for later on. And the holder that holds in here in place. Okay, so let's go and try to install this baby. With my helper. It's gonna help me out with changing the exhaust. So today we're gonna try to change the stock exchange with the Delkevic exhaust. Okay, so part. All right, this is the Kawasaki Vulcan S, and change the exhaust to a Delkevic. See if we can do it. That's a great challenge for us.